Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We just left Killarney and we're at Tarbert Island right now. We're taking the ferry across and it's going to take us to the cliffs of Moher. That's going to be our day today, exploring the fancy cliffs, and hopefully the weather clears up a little bit. It really is true. If you don't like the weather here, you wait 10 minutes and it changes. So this is Lover's Leap. The headland is shrouded in myth. Cuchulainn, the mightiest of the Irish warriors, battled the witch Mal to her death. She fell into the sea, staining it blood red. People call the sea stack Lover's Leap after the legendary Diarmuid and Graney. I'm sure I pronounced those absolutely correctly. At the cliffs of Moher, we're at the southern end. There's a cliff walk that runs for 18 kilometers along. The southern end, they rise about 120 meters, and about 8 kilometers to the north, they hit about 214 meters at their highest point. Alright, we finished up at the cliffs, had some food, and now we've managed to find a secret camping spot up some old farmer's road, and it's worked out perfectly. There's a little cove and then there's a little spot. If we walk a little trail, we get to the beach. Good morning. We had poured on us all night, but we had the tarp over the tent, so that was fine. But we woke up in the morning and had a lull, so we figured we'd pack up quick. But the bugs are horrendous, so we rushed everything into the back of the car. Everything's soaking wet. And now we're gonna head into town, grab some breakfast, and then figure out what we're gonna do with the rest of the day.
Oh, it really is a castle.
So after our rough night of camping, we are gonna be staying tonight in a castle, the AbbeyGlen Castle. Alright, try it again. There's a cliff walk that runs 120. Alright,